All right, let's look at the homework 14.5, problem number 9. All right, so we have a right circular cone, and the radius of the cone is increasing at the rate of 1.9 inches per second, and the height is decreasing at the rate of 2.8 inches per second. And at what rate is the volume of the cone changing when the radius is 144 inches and the height is 109 inches? All right, so let's do that. All right, so we know that the volume formula is going to be, so this is going to depend on radius and the height. All right, so this is going to be equal to pi over 3 r squared times h. All right, so what we need to do is we need to take the derivative with respect to time t, so dv over dt. All right, so we know that this is going to be a partial of v with respect to the first variable, which is r, then multiply by dr over dt, plus, and the partial of v with respect to the second variable, which is the height h, then multiply by dh over dt. All right, so we have that. So let's see. So we have, let's see, pi over 3 is just a number, so I'll just put it outside. All right, then we take the partial of this with respect to r. You're going to get the 2rh. Then you have to multiply by dr over dt. So dr over dt. Maybe I'll just write that, dr over dt. All right, plus. All right, partial of v with respect to h is going to be simply r squared. That's it, r squared, right? And then dh over dt. All right, so we got that. All right, then what we need to do is just to plug in what we already know. So you have, let's see, pi over 3, and it's going to be 2 times, all right, radius is 144, and the height is 109, all right? Then dr over dt would be, and let's see, radius change after 1.9, so it's going to be 1.9. All right, plus, all right, radius is 144, and we have to square that, and the rate of change of height is decreasing, so it's going to be negative 2.8. All right, so we have that. All right, so I'm going to use the GeoGebra to compute that. Let's see, I'm going to open up a GeoGebra. All right, so what we have is going to be a pi over 3, and then multiply by 2 times 144 times 109 times 1.9 plus 144 squared times negative 2.8. All right, and hit enter. All right, so it came out to be 528 pi. So this is going to be 528 pi. All right, so let's type it in. We came up with 528 pi. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.